What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing a Mickey Mouse Valentine. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw an oval for the nose. We're going to start right in the middle, go out towards the left, across the bottom, and back up towards the top. Now let's fill the nose in black. Now just up above the nose, we're going to add a curve from left to right, going up and then down. And I'll place the eyes on top of that curve, starting over on the left. Let's draw an oval, going all the way up, round this out, and then come back down towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing, going up towards the same height, down the side, and then in. Let's fill the eyes in black. Now you want to move down and draw a curve for the mouth. Let's start over on the left side, bend this down, across the middle, and then up. And I'll add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Let's open up the mouth in the center. We're going to start over on the left, come down like a half oval, and bring that back up on the right side. Now I want to trace the lower lip along the outside, coming down, and then up. Let's place the tongue on the inside, starting on the left, go up, bring that down in the middle. Now I'm going to add an overlap, going up and then down, and we'll fill the top of the mouth in black. Let's go back up to the top and draw the cheeks tucked in behind the lip. Let's start on the left side, curve around the corner of the mouth, come down, and in toward the side. Let's line this up on the right. Going around, come down, and then in. Let's go around the eyes and back down in the center. So we'll start on the left. Going out, up, and then bend that down in the middle. Going up around the right eye, down the side, and then in. Let's draw a half circle tucked in behind the cheeks. Starting over on the left side, go all the way around, up in the middle, come around the right side, and then back in. Now we're going to add two circles along the side of the head for the ears. Let's start over on the left. Go all the way around, let's bring that back in. Now you want to line this up over on the right. So going up, around, and then back in. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the ears. Now we use that same marker across the top of the head, starting on the left, and just working our way across. Now let's move down and draw a heart in the center of the body with the fingers overlapping. Let's start just underneath the chin right in the middle. Start with a point, then this up, out towards the left, go back to the center, go up and out towards the right. Let's layer the first finger on top. From the end, we're going to step up, come down, round out the finger and go up. Now you just want to tuck that around and then in along the inside. Let's add another finger along the outside, going out, around, and just pull that up along the bottom. and we'll add one more finger on the outside, coming around the bottom and then up. Underneath the head, curve the body going out and then down in behind the hands. Now you go to the bottom finger and draw the bottom of the heart, coming around, and then just pull that in toward the center point. Go to the right side, come down, and then in. Now from here we're going to go out to the side and draw on the hips. Let's start on the left. Come down and then in on both sides. Let's move to the center underneath this point, add a curve. Coming down and then up. Let's leave a small gap in the center and draw two lines. One coming down on the left and one on the right. Now on the left side, we're going to curve the pen, going up and then out. On the right, we're going to go in the opposite direction, going out and up. And we'll tuck the side in behind the hips, coming in and bending that up. Now I want to draw the left leg coming down at an angle. So we start up here, come down toward the bottom, step over and draw another line. Connect the bottom with a curve. Let's go to the inside on the right, draw a straight line coming down, over, draw another line, close off the bottom with a curve. Let's go back up and fill the inside of the body. We'll also fill in the legs. Now I'm going to wrap the ankles with a thick cuff. On the left side, let's step up. We're going to draw an oval, going all the way around, back in on the inside. And then from the inside of the cuff, let's curve the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom. Let's round out the heel, come down and up with a short curve. Go back to the left side, let's draw a longer curve. Coming down and then up towards the outside of the foot. Now from the outside, we curve the foot, going around, up towards the top. I just want to bend that down. Same thing on the right. And we'll close out the top of the foot with a curve going in towards the cuff. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the foot. We step up, just tracing these two curves coming in towards the heel. Let's go back up and draw on the elbows. Starting from the bottom finger, curve the arm going out, just tuck that in behind the side of the heart, and then we'll fill those areas in black. Now I want to wrap this cuff in behind the left leg. So I'm going to start from the outside, finish down and in, then in from the inside. Let's draw the tail coming out from the left. I'm going to start from the hip, coming down, up, and then out. Now I just want to taper the tail about halfway. It's going to get thicker as you come back in towards the hip, and we'll fill the inside in black. Now let's finish off our drawing by adding a message in the center of the heart and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw our Mickey Mouse Valentine. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, then please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. And if you want to keep drawing with me, then click on this video over here, and I'll see you again soon.